Hi guys, so today we are in Bloxburg, and actually about that, I just got a new house. My sister, me and my sister, spent ages on making this with lots of money. I think it was like 2 hours or so, but yeah, that was really appreciate it, but it was worth it though. I think it turned out really cool. So I'm going to show you a house tour. And oh no, I need to put my phone on charge. Give me a second, guys. So this is like a few lights. These are like a few lights here, like all the way across the house. I don't think I just like only put 5 of them, or 6. And there's like a little light here so then it can shine. Then there's like a front door. Oh yeah, there's also a doorbell, and there is like a window to see if anybody's there to pick up the door. And there's actually 2 lights here, but this one is an extra because like this one can like light up more in case. So, and then here's 2 doors, like extra covering. All the doors are open. I don't know why, but first I'm going to show you the living room. So this is a living room. I have a little blue camping chair, cause 2 blue camping chairs here, like right beside the door, and I have a little light here, but apparently it doesn't work, so I guess that's fine. I have a little TV remote. See, it works. You change the channel. You can watch it. You can turn it off. So and I have 2 pink couches going beside each other, and I have a bookshelf with lots of books and CDs. So yeah, that's the living room. And then there's like also like a few lights in like the hallways. So yeah, so it's a little bit more lighting. And now I'm going to show you my new room. This is my room. As you can see, I love blue. This is my clock. I actually made it fair in the other room. I made it fair, like a little bit similar to my room, but like different colors. So then this is my new improved clock. These are my cabinets or closets for stuff. These are my dressers to customize and change my character. And then here's a toy of mine. So yeah, I really like that. And here's a baby crib, unless we like need to roleplay or something. So I put a baby crib there because sometimes I'm like a mom, so yeah. And then this is a little chair with a little desk and a computer in front of it, so you can write a book, you can watch uBlock, you can read the news, or you can play games. So yeah, and I added a couple of windows on the inside and the outside just to make sure of more like I don't know, hydration, I guess. Here's a little basket. Here's like a little bookshelf that I put in my room because I love books. I absolutely love books. And I put a little trash can, same as the other room, so that's... And then here is my bed. It's actually fair to the other one. I put the same bed, so yeah, I really like that bed actually. Oh yeah, and let me show you something cool. I actually colored this light blue so they can like light up blue. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, and there's also pencils for me to draw in my dresser. Okay, let's go to the next room. It's also like really short. I'm sorry. But yeah. So it couldn't, like, the light couldn't fit all of it, but I decided it's fine, don't worry. So I added a little, oh, I forgot to show you this alarm clock in my other room. Oh my god, it's okay. Okay, so here's, my friend's bed. This is actually my friend's room because she likes pink and, you know, stuff. So, yeah, here's my friend's bed. And, here's the timer. It actually looks red, but it's actually pink. So, yeah. This is 2 pink dressers and some closets. I also put a toy for her so she can play with. Oh, I'm stinky. And then, I put another bookshelf for her because she likes reading books too. Then I put a little clock up there, even though she has a timer though. But oh wait, that doesn't make sense. Never mind. So, and then I put her a little basket, same as my room. And then I put her a desk with a computer so we can make it fair. You can do the same thing with it. I put a pencil, but I don't know where it's gone actually. That's weird. But yeah, that's my friend's room. Oh, and I forgot to show you the kitchen. So I have lots of food because I've been like trying to like level up my level a little bit. So yeah, I'm level 5. Oh my god, I'm starting getting stinky. It's okay. Yeah, so here's my table with like 6 chairs on it. Yeah, like 6 chairs. Yeah, and here's my stove. I actually might buy a new stove soon. Oh my god. And then here's my telephone. Here's my appliances, my cabinets. I mean my counters and cabinets. My cabinets up here. And my microwave, my fridge, and my my garbage. So yeah. Oh, and I also put a little light here. Let me try to turn it on. Yeah, so that's all of the rooms. Okay, I'm gonna go shower because I'm real stinky right now. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Here's the light right here. I put some soap in here so then I can be like full hydrated and like the stuff. And then I put like a sink with wash hands, brush teeth, and take a glass of water, but I actually didn't want that in there, but whatever. So I put a cabinet underneath, and then I put a toilet, and then I put a garbage can. Then I put a shower. I actually need to use a shower. Give me a sec. Can you watch me shower? Okay. Then I put like a wooden door with like a gray inside of it, and then when I open the door, it turns out it's the garage. Oh, I forgot to add lights in here. Oh my god. But it's okay. This is my car, my lovely pink car. It used to be purple, but I changed it to pink. Then this is my bike. It's blue. It's like a turquoise blue, and then this is like my outdoor thing. So yeah. And then this is my garage door. This is my garage door. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What just happened? This is my garage door. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so it actually like opens and closes. So yeah, that's my house. Oh, and just give you guys a heads up, I'm going to be posting a lot and to make up for the break that I was having over the days, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys, have a nice day.